front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Display. Then tap on Display Size and Text. Operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and when you finished, go back. You can do that for both internal and external, however you want to. Once you finish, all of your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!